Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video has been a video that has been a long time coming, and it is our kitchen renovation. I am so excited. When we bought this house, this was one of the first things that we thought we really wanted to do to this house, just to make our builder-grade house feel more like a custom home. So I thought I would start with sharing with you guys my vision. So this is what our kitchen currently looks like. The door to the right is a large pantry that feels like a waste of space, and it feels like we could use it more efficiently. So our goal is to add a coffee corner here with a cabinet pantry. When we moved into this home, we didn't get to choose any finishings or anything. So a dark countertop is just not really my vibe. So I really want to brighten up the space and liven it up and make it a little bit more neutral, so that way we can add character through many different things, and it would also match the rest of our house. So our main goals and vision with this is to brighten up the space by adding new countertops that are brighter, to add more storage. I love to cook and bake and all the things, and so to have more storage would be amazing, and to also add some value to this house, and then to add some character by adding in some backsplash and personal touches to make it feel more like a home. Not only is this going to be great for our own use of this home, but also usually any updates in a kitchen add great value to the house. So we are very excited to get this process started. We're going to bring you along over the next couple of months as we do this from start to finish. So let's get started. So I thought I'd show you guys the sconces I picked. I do really like them. I think they're pretty. They're from West Elm. We got 2 of these, and then I'll show you my pendants. Those are my favorite things. So these are the pendant lights I got. It's so dusty right now because it's been sitting in the garage for almost a year. So these are the Rio pendants, and they are so expensive, but I got them on Facebook Marketplace. I could not believe it because it was like the pendants I was wanting. So we're gonna find the placement of those fixtures right now before the electrician comes over. Give you an update. The demo is done, so that's the whole coffee corner, and then we also took out this wall to make it feel more like a single space. Okay, so we are a few days into the whole process, and I don't know if I showed you, but we took down this wall and we had drywall people come and fix all this demo area, but we had somebody come and fix the ceiling. Clearly they did not do a good job. It looks so bad on camera, guys. So we're gonna maybe try and find another contractor to come out. We've got Grant here, he's gonna help. So they're gonna put in the base cabinets and the pantry, and then we're gonna have countertops guy come and measure tomorrow. I'm hoping he'll bring samples so I can show you guys. It's gonna be good.
Yeah!
I love seeing things come together that are in my head. We got these cabinets in. We haven't screwed them together, so they look a little wonky. We still have to like get them properly there, but it's good enough to measure for the countertops. It looks so good. The whole family ended up coming over, so we're all hanging out. Okay, good morning. We are here to look at countertops. I've been here before. I think I know what I want, but we're coming to make the decision together. Because that's how marriage goes. I know. Okay, these are the 3 we're looking at. This is more gray, this is like a gold, and this is just a warmer color. We're thinking this is too yellow. Leaning towards this one, though this was my number 1. Okay, that's the one with gold. That's the classic. Okay, we're comparing the tile that I got, and I definitely think it's a little warmer. That's why I got these. The other ones were a little cooler. You can tell it's kind of gold, which I guess is good. We want warmth. Kitchen update. We got in all of our faucets, hardware, and we're gonna see which one goes best with what. Okay, I put a white blanket down because everything's white and it's hard to tell on this countertop. These definitely don't go with really either one. Sam likes the left one for the sinks. So just to give you a comparison, this one's a little bit more bronzy maybe. This one's a little bit more like gold. We definitely are going for like a brass look. So I feel like this probably is the better one as well. These definitely go together. Today is a big day. We are removing our countertops and we're getting our new ones installed this week. So we'll be without a kitchen for a little bit. Whole fam's here. We're about to pull this out. Good news is that we're selling these. No waste here. Okay, counters are removed. No kitchen for a week. The day has finally come. We are getting our new countertops installed. I am so excited. I cannot wait to see them. They are on their way now. I'm praying that it just looks how I imagine it to look. Okay, the countertops are in. It feels very cold and sterile right now, but we're gonna bring in warmth with the handles, all the, like the faucet, wood shelves, and decor, and I'm so excited. It already feels like a world of a difference in here. Okay, today we are officially installing all of the knobs in the kitchen, and Sam has also been working on the shelves, which are close to being done, which is exciting, so we'll install those soon. I'm the most nervous about these really large pulls, but I think they will look nice, so we'll see. Okay, it is the next day. We actually didn't end up finishing last night because we had to go to like a family dinner thing, and this lighting is so much better, so I can finally show you all the pulls. I love how they turned out. So we went with knobs on all of the cabinets and then pulls for the drawers. These are all from Amazon. Of course, I'll have these linked down below and on my Amazon storefront. I also love the design on these. I think they just have some character to them, and I'm really trying to bring some life to this kitchen. It's very white, and I know that we will through decor, and the knobs have definitely done that as well. And then over here, these turned out so great. Honestly, figuring out placement is so hard, but I think they worked out well. Sam is currently finishing up the shelves, so those will go up, and then we just have to put the light fixtures, the backsplash, take out this microwave, and we're just gonna add like a regular vent hood. I think that will also clear up a lot of space over here. So it's really coming together, which is making me so excited. It's feeling so good. Last pieces are going in.
I don't want to. No, we gotta get this right. It's the last thing.
It's the next day and the mortar has like set, so now we are good to go ahead and grout. So me and Sam are gonna do this. Neither of us have done this, but I feel like it's not that hard. But part of me is nervous because I also think it's not that hard.
We just gotta get in the groove.
Yeah, we just gotta do it. It will be good. Let's go, let's get started. First ever grouting experience. The tile is up and it looks so good. It's so cloudy out, but it still looks so good. I'll link the tile that we did down below, and we did the grout color in frost, and we also got the sconces up, and it is just such a cozy vibe over here. It's literally perfect. Sam just has a few little areas to touch up, like this drywall patching that he needs to sand down, and then we can get to decorating. I want to go ahead and get this kitchen like back to functioning order and to decorate the shelves and just kind of put everything everywhere. So we'll do that next. That's like the fun part, is adding the decor and making it feel complete and like a kitchen. You know what's wild is I'm getting deja vu. I feel like this is exactly where I parked on the day that I found out I was pregnant and like went to go buy more pregnancy tests, because I was freaking out. Like literally, I think this is the exact spot. That is so weird. I never park over here on this side, but I am at Target, and today is decorating day. I'm very, very excited. So I'm gonna make the rounds to Target, Hobby Lobby, and Walmart. I feel like I always sleep on Walmart decor. I know it's gonna take time to completely like curate the kitchen. I have some ideas with like hanging plates on the wall and things like that, and that's gonna take time to find the right vintage plates. But for now, I just kind of want to get the shelves decorated and everything in order. So let's go see what Target has. They just came out with their new spring line, which is fun, and then we'll go to Hobby Lobby and Walmart. I love this lamp, but I feel like it would look too crowded under the countertop. I love this basket. I just don't know if it's too big. I am obsessed with this lamp. Again, I don't know if it'd be too big. Oh my gosh, and it's $70, but it is perfect. Oh, what do I do? These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I have some really cute lamps, especially these mini lamps. I love the base of this, but I don't love this. This is so pretty. I love like the scalloped edging. Okay, we are back, and I laid everything out that I got and things that I already have. So some of this I ordered online and didn't necessarily get in store today. So I got this cookbook holder, which I think will be practical and pretty. These gorgeous bookends for my cookbooks. This to bring in some color. And then I got these two items on clearance at Target along with that basket. This vase was not on clearance, so I don't know if I'll keep it or not. We'll see what we end up using. I got this little broom because Teddy will drop his food kind of like around the kitchen, so I feel like this will be handy to actually pick it up off the floor. Who knows? Then I got this gorgeous marble like footed, it's not like a trivet, it's like a display thing. And then also from Target I got these wood scoops. These were $5, which I feel like is actually a great price. Then I got 3 different fruit bowls because I didn't know which would work. So we have this one, which I ordered this one online. It's much smaller. This one is huge, but I do love the shape of it. And then this white one. So I think it will just depend if I end up putting the fruit on the shelves or in the kitchen area. I'm not really sure. And then at Hobby Lobby, they had such great clearance vases. And then they also had this one, which was $3.24. And then they had this gorgeous woven one as well. And then I got these gorgeous flowers. So we'll see which ones we end up using. And then this is stuff that I already have. So I have quite a few wood cutting board options, this antique little like kettle, some little bowls that I really only use for like decorative purposes. These I bought a while ago for the shelves. And then these are more decorative bowls as well. And then I just pulled out my cookbooks. I've got a few more that I need to find and gather. Between all those things, I think we'll finish this kitchen, which I'm really excited for. So sorry, I'm out of breath. But with that being said, let's play around. So I think I'm gonna start with this area right here, since this is like practical, and then we'll move over there, which is a little bit more decorative. So let's go.
All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
Okay, I I think it's merely finished. I don't know. I feel like I've got to live with it. I'll probably tweak some things here and there, but I want to show you guys what I ended up doing and why I put things where I put them. I just really like the look of this cookbook being out. I think it's really cute. So I put that over there. I'll link the little like stand down below. And then I also like it to be practical. So here's all of our wooden utensils. This is like a little thing you set your spoon on. And then I always like to cover the plugs if I can. So I covered it with that cutting board. So this is the area I am most unsure about. I ended up not putting a fruit basket here. We'll see if that ends up working. But for now, I just use that little trivet thing. And then this is actually our little like butter bell. It doesn't have any butter in it right now, but typically that's where I put my butter. So it's very practical. Salt and pepper grinders. And then this is more just for decor purposes. Then for this area, I think I like it. I don't know. I'll probably need to tweak it a little bit more. But I ended up using that vase, the pot, and then put my cookbooks up there along with the really large board and then some bowls and stuff. And then this is more practical. With the KitchenAid being right here, I wanted to be able to have like all of my baking staples like flour, sugar, brown sugar, and then this is where we actually keep our coffee. We broke the little handle in this whole process, so I probably should get a new one. And then our kettle, which is actually electric, so there's a plug with it, so we would just have to pull it down if we wanted to make coffee or tea. But that's what I would like, since this is like our drink drawer, so we have all of our teas here, so if we have guests over, I can just pull it down and put it out. And then obviously our espresso machine, the whole vision of this place was to be like a coffee corner essentially, so it did free up a ton of counter space, which is what we wanted. Our counters felt so crowded and we definitely got a lot more space. I'm so in love with how these Amazon handles turned out. I cannot believe that they're from Amazon. They just match so perfect. And then we still have some finishing touches to do. Like we kind of need to fix this area and caulk this, and Sam needs to like fix a couple of wood spots on the shelves. I never updated you guys, but I am so happy with this sink that we got from Amazon. It was literally $100 and it works so well. It has 3 different modes, which is so nice. And I love our white sink as well. It has yet to scratch or stain or anything. And I did a lot of research, and this one is apparently like really, really good for being scratch and stain resistant, which is great. I'm sure one day I'll do a full kitchen tour once I get everything in order, but for now, I think this is so perfect. Thank you guys so much for following along on this very long process. I'm so happy to have a functioning and beautiful kitchen again. It feels so good, and I'm so excited literally to be hosting guests tonight. That's our goal with this home, is to always have people over, welcome people in, and share the love of Christ with them. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I do all kinds of like homemaking, renovating videos along with daily lifestyle stuff as well. So thank you so much for watching. Again, everything will be linked down below if I can find it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.